Democrat Mary Allen, current Evansville City Council member, officially announced her candidacy for 8th District U.S. House of Representatives on Wednesday. Allen's goal is to challenge incumbent Mark Messmer, a President Trump-endorsed Republican who also announced his re-election campaign. The city of Evansville has proposed a new wheel tax to help fund the repairs of city streets. It is expected to take effect January 1st of 2026 and cost drivers $25 to register their passenger vehicle. This is to recoup significant funds lost from state revenue sharing. Children under age 7 can be tested for lead exposure at the Vanderburgh County Health Department's August lead testing clinic. Children are more vulnerable to lead poisoning, and the effects are permanent. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.